Hey guys, it's Alicia with toughabsnails.com, and I just wanted to stop in and say hi and let you see my quarantine nails that are still going strong. It's been at least 2 weeks, maybe a little bit more than 2 weeks now. Let me show them to you. So this is Hue to Hue and Atlantis, which is retired, but I showed you these in my last video, and I think they're only a week old. Look how strong they're still going. So I wear gloves at work pretty much all the time, and you can see like my nails or my actual fingers and skin is looking kind of rough, but whatever. But these color streaks are still going pretty strong. Obviously, like I'm nicking my nails and like kind of cutting them a little bit. Just from work, and I fish a lot, and so like on rocks and stuff like that, I am not easy on my hands, and you can see after just over 2 weeks they're still doing really, really good. Obviously a little bit of cracking, which is kind of normal, especially with solids after about a week or so. Glitters do tend to be a little more resilient, like we've said before, but really for like 2 weeks, your regular nail polish, look at the other hand, your regular nail polish would never last that long. Like clearly they're a little rough, but not bad. Regular nail polish like usually looks like this after maybe 2 days, and this is like just over 2 weeks, so I'm pretty excited about this. So as always, if you would like a sample, that is sample.toughabsnails.com, and to check out my website, it's toughabsnails, TUFFAZ nails.com. And also, if you want to join my VIP group, it's on Facebook. That's where you can see everything that's in stock right now in my personal stash. And you can order from that, because I will tell you that the website is pretty much all sold out right now because of all of this COVID stuff. And it's very difficult for them to keep up with the demand right now because Color Street is where it's at. So, for now, it's easiest if you shop from my personal stash. And again, you can see that and communicate with me if you go to Facebook. So that would be facebook.toughabsnails.com. And you can probably even just search Alicia's Tough as Nails in the groups as well. But sample.toughabsnails for a free sample to be sent to you. I will talk to you later. I just wanted to stop in real quick and let you know how my nails are doing. Good, happy quarantine, whatever. And I will talk to you later. Bye.